Waiting Italian bread. Ballerina cappuccino. Okay, let's not add her burger. This is number one. We already have a number one. Berber patapin. Haven't tried. Six. Oh, that's not a bad choice. Brew because they could. Yeah. You know what? Okay. Put 5 because the penguin. Bombardillo crocodilo. Lily Marilla. Blueberry octopusy. Yeah, Bombobini Gustini. Look at you. I want to do good at 9 and 10. Burbaloni Lulidon. Okay. Capybara or coconut. Lavaca Saturn. Well, I because I don't. Okay, yeah, that is great. This is mine. Ballerina cappuccino. Burbaloni Lulidon. Because the goose burger patapim derila bombardiro crocodilo avocado and tricky. Let's see.